You're not going to believe who just pulled out or doesn't really care about this spot Bitcoin ETF. It's a massive name. Let's just get into this, but you better stay tuned because I have so much more to cover. Okay, so Tim Buckley of Vanguard. So Vanguard, you hear who like owns the world. It's BlackRock and Vanguard. They own the world, right? He says, Tim Buckley, he says that he claims to be focused on assets with intrinsic value and capable of generating cash flows like equities and bonds. He's right. Bitcoin doesn't create a cash flow per se. You just have to hold it and you make a killing. And this is funny from Jeff Ross. He says, this is a good decision from Vanguard. It will help them slide much more quickly into irrelevance. Why move it into the future when the past is so profitable for you, right? Exactly. But you know what? You know who does know about Bitcoin and understands that it is the future? Larry Fink. And he says Bitcoin is set to reshape the financial landscape. So completely different sides of the game there. Somebody has more foresight than the other. But you know what? In reality, I don't think Vanguard really cares because they have pretty much the money printer at their fingertips. So even more bullish news on what is happening with the spot ETF. Okay, so you have the spot ETF that are most likely coming very soon. Probably one day when you wake up, you're like, oh, the spot ETFs are here and Bitcoin's way up. But the big boys are getting you used to the fact that Bitcoin's going to be around for a while. They already have their bags. And here's some more proof. Germany's third largest bank is launching an institutional crypto custody platform. This is massive, guys. Keep in mind that, remember what I told you back in the day or like months ago, that large banks are going to get together and create their own crypto exchanges and crypto custody platforms. So this is what's going to happen. This is why Binance is going to have so much trouble and the crypto boys are going to have so much trouble in the West because Wall Street essentially wants the massive part of the game. They want the biggest pie of the game, all right? Now to end this, there's another reason why these giant entities are so bullish on Bitcoin. And this is a fact. This is from James Lavish. He says, good morning. The U.S. ended the week with $33.7 trillion of federal debt, $211.2 trillion of unfunded liabilities, bringing the total amount owed to $245 trillion. That's approximately 55 times tax revenue, or the equivalent of someone with a $100,000 salary and $5.5 million in debt. Have a great weekend. I love that. But guys, this is why you have an inelastic supply called Bitcoin being the spotlight of all these massive entities, because they know the debt bubble is out of control. Inflation's going to be out of control. And as I predicted, there's going to be more currency printing this year than ever before. That's all I have. If you want to see what we are doing with our cryptocurrencies, I would suggest you joining the CT Club at learningcrypto.com. That is our new website. We've been absolutely killing it with microcaps that are turning into majors now. With that said, like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.